Hare Krishna. I'm Sunita Sunel with you in 2-minute Mahabharata stories. Today, let us see chapter 2, verse 9 of Bhagavad Gita. This again we'll be singing in the first raga. When we change the ragas, please note and keep singing in the same way. It's very easy to chant and it's very beautiful to hear also. Sanjaya Vacha एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः. Let us repeat. Sanjaya Vacha एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेशः परन्तप न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः. The meaning is, as we know, Sanjaya is narrating the happenings on the battlefield to Dhritarashtra. Here Arjuna is called as Gudakesha, or conqueror of sleep. We know the power of sleep is such that sooner or later all living beings succumb to it. But Arjuna, with his determination, disciplined himself in such a way that sleep would come to him only when he permitted it, and only for the amount of time he chose. Sanjaya tells, as hero among us the men conquered sleep, so too will he conquer sadness and depression. Also he uses Rishikesha, or master of the mind and senses, for Sri Krishna. Moral is, Sri Krishna is the master of his senses, who definitely ensures that the events are properly managed. Thank you. Good day to all of you.
ಶ್ಲೋಕ 9. ಸಂಜಯ ಉವಾಚ ಏವಮುಕ್ತ್ವಾ ಋಷಿಕೇಶಂ ಗುಡಾಕೇಶಃ ಪರಂತಪಃ ನ ಯೋತ್ಸ್ಯ ಇತಿ ಗೋವಿಂದಂ ಉಕ್ತ್ವಾ ತೂಷ್ಣೀಂ ಬಭೂವಃ. ಅರ್ಜುನನು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಬದಲು ಯುದ್ಧರಂಗವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಡಲು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿದು ಧೃತರಾಷ್ಟ್ರನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ಆದರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನನನ್ನು ಶತ್ರುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಗ್ರಹಿಸುವವನು ಎಂದು ಕರೆದು ಸಂಜಯನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಿರಾಶೆಯನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ. ಸಾಂಸಾರಿಕ ಮೋಹದಿಂದ ಹುಸಿ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಜುನನು ತತ್ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾವಪರವಶನಾದ. ಆದರೂ ಅವನು ಪರಮ ಗುರುವಾದ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಾಗಿ ಶರಣಾಗತನಾದ. ಸಂಸಾರ ಮೋಹದಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾದ ಹುಸಿ ಗೋಳಾಟದಿಂದ ಅವನು ಬೇಗನೆ ಮುಕ್ತನಾಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮ ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ಕಾರದ ಅಥವಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಅರಿವಿನಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಎಂದು ಇದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣನಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದು ಅರ್ಜುನನು ಕಟ್ಟ ಕಡೆಯವರೆಗೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಧೃತರಾಷ್ಟ್ರನ ಸಂತೋಷವು ನಂದಿ
Hi
ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ.
everybody, what is this? సబ్బియ్యం వడియాలు ఎవరెవరికి కావాలనో రావచ్చు. వితిన్ 24 hours, డ్రైడ్ వన్, హాఫ్ డ్రైడ్ వన్ ఎంజాయ్ చేయవచ్చును. మా ఇంటికి వచ్చి మీ అవ్వల్ని, నాయనమ్మల్ని, అమ్మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ జ్ఞాపకం చేసుకొని యమ్మీ యమ్మీ సబ్బియ్యం వడియాలు తినవచ్చు. కాకిలు అరుస్తూ ఉంది చూస్తురా, అంటే ఇట్ loves that. What I have done, I have put the net for the crows. Did you get this idea of the net? It is 2 in 1 purpose. So I can just cover it for the crows would not come. See, it's already there, ready to have its prey. Yummy, yummy, is it not? Enjoy it. Fryams are ready. Thank you for watching this. Hope you would like it. Look at the ideas. Thank you for watching.